So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom Group share. So we know that this particular stock has showed back-to-back momentum, and currently we can see it has approached the 22 rupees level within just a short span of time. So when we have done the complete analysis near the 8 rupees level followed by the 14 rupees region when the stock was open, and many people have entered in that particular region, and I received many messages that still they are holding this particular stock with profit, and followed by we also discussed the various updates related to bonus issue. But now there are further more updates related to fundraising followed by the quarter results which it has declared. So we'll try to discuss each and everything in detail, and followed by we'll also do the technical analysis to find out the next set of targets. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, make sure you have joined the Telegram group, because in Telegram, apart from having normal discussion related to updates, so I keep posting stocks specially for short term that would be very much beneficial. So I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so coming towards the updates, we know that on June 28th, the board meeting has happened. So earlier also, I told that particular date would be very important. So we know on that particular day of discussion, so 4 major updates were released. So first one, obviously, we know that was related to bonus issue. So clearly, they have also mentioned the ratio, which we also have discussed earlier. So coming further towards the major things apart from bonus, what they have released is, you can see first one is related to dividend. So they are also providing the dividend, and you can see how much they are providing. So 0.05 rupees per equity share at rupees 2. And apart from that, if you see, another important thing is related to rising of funds. So how much they are planning to raise? So clearly they have mentioned the amount as 1500 crore, and either by the means of preferential issue or qualified institutional placements, which is also known as QIP. So this particular process will take place. And last important thing is related to authorized share capital, which that is increment, related to increment of authorized share capital. So they have provided certain details. So these are the major takeaways, whatever the board meeting has happened on 28th, and immediately we know the stock movement also continuously, it was on positive note, and also the volumes have increased. Okay, so next, moving further towards the financials of the March 2021 quarter. So those were the updates majorly that are primary updates. So moving towards the financial updates, you can see the net profit has rose almost 30.07%. So if we go in detail and if we see the detailed report, you will see that the net profit rose almost to 30.07% to 140 crore in the quarter ended March 2021 against 107 crore during the previous year. So apart from that, if you see the sales, which has incremented around 11.32% to almost 699.36 crore, which was earlier almost around 628 crore. Okay, so if we compare on year basis, we can see the net profit has increased around 9.75%, roughly to, we can say, 483 crore, and earlier it was around 440 crore. So sales also has increased around 6% year-on-year basis. So these are the major financials, and you can see a very good increment is present. So both financially it is satisfied, and whatever the updates are related, especially related to fundraising, and we have seen about the increment capital, share capital, and followed by dividend and bonus. So all these things are the next boosting for this particular stock. So volumes are also increasing. So earlier in BSE, we used to get the chance for buying this particular stock, but now in NSE and BSE, equal competition is present in increased volume. So people are holding from low levels, so they might be enjoying the profit, and if the bonus also happens, so they would be benefited. Okay, so these are the major things. So quickly, let's go to charts and we'll see what are the basic levels that we need to identify. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 day chart of Brightcom group share, and you can see earlier near the 20 rupees region, so little uncertainty was present, and many people, okay, thought of exiting. Even the whatever the promoters or operators whoever they were present in that particular region, so they tried to make the stock come down, but again the buying volume has been generated. So many people have booked partial profit also, that is well and good. So booking partial profit is also very important, because on that particular day we were also not aware that these many positive updates would be released, especially related to fundraising and all. So again, however, many people have taken fresh position also in that particular region, so it's well and good. So stock is showing some momentum, and you can see currently it is near the 22.35, so easily it will cross the 25, and even it may approach 30 also, so we can't tell that. So it's looking very good because of the updates, so obviously it should go up. So after bonus, we know share price drop would be present, because they would give additional shares for the existing 4 shares. So this already you might be knowing. So money flow index is still flat, it is in the 79 region, and still the stock is looking very positive. So next target, as I told, 25.30. So these would be the short term levels, and whatever happens, any updates are released, I'll try to post in the Telegram also. So make sure whatever the 4 to 5 things we have discussed, you're aware of that before you're doing any sort of action related to this particular stock. So still I'm telling to hold it. Whoever have booked the partial profit, so rest you can hold it. So don't completely exit. Only partial profit booking is important. So that is also why, because you might be investing heavy amounts. So to protect that, either if you book partial, so that would be safe, and rest as usual you can hold it. So that is best strategy. Okay, so further if you're having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.